JYX-CD Glass Washing Machine, precision meets innovation. Transform your glass production with the Junya JYX-CD, a cutting-edge horizontal washer engineered for flawless pre-treatment of flat glass before coating, mirroring, or printing. Built for speed, efficiency, and unmatched reliability. Why JYX-CD stands out. Smart and safe. Auto thickness detection adapts settings instantly. PLC/HMI control with remote operation. Superior cleaning. 4-step system, pre-rinse, dual brushes, high-pressure wash, rapid dry. Heated tanks plus precision filters for zero streaks. Perfect for coating and mirroring facilities. Architectural and automotive glass. High-volume production lines. Upgrade to JYX-CD today. Cut downtime, slash costs, and achieve pristine glass quality every time.